Guys, welcome to my channel. So first come to gigabyte.com. You can see here www.gigabyte.com. Then you can see here a search icon, so click on, then type your model number which is you using Z790 AORUS XTREME X, then hit enter. Then click to product. So this is we are used motherboard. Then guys click to support. Then you can see select your operating system which is you using. If you are use Windows 10, so no worry, you can install that. You follow this video. Installations process same. Bluetooth driver, click to download. This done. Open this, open, then click to yes. And then close it.